Encore at David Weekley continues to expand its presence around the metro Atlanta area with the addition of an alluring collection of active adult communities. Included among them is Heritage at Towne Lake, situated in the desirable city of Woodstock. Having first debuted its charming streetscapes and enticing assortment of timeless elevations in the fall of 2017, the award-winning home builder's 55+ division is proud to announce it has just opened a new phase at Heritage at Towne Lake, making another 46 home sites available in this incredible gated Cherokee County community. That's 56 more opportunities for you to call Heritage at Towne Lake home. Need a little more convincing? That's easy. Priced from the mid to high 300s, Heritage at Towne Lake offers 6 imaginatively designed, beautifully rendered floor plans from which to choose, each poised on spacious home sites. While most floor plans feature desirable ranches, several offer an option of a second level that boasts a bonus room or additional bedroom. All floor plans feature open concepts at the heart of their interiors and expanded outdoor living areas, both of which are ideal for entertaining. Energy-efficient windows fill the main living spaces with natural light, while positioning of bedrooms at separate ends of the home heightens the sense of privacy. A great deal of attention is given to the owner's retreat in each of these homes, with the intention of making it a serene space to begin and end every day. Beyond the threshold of your new David Weekley home, a collection of world-class amenities awaits. You could start your day with a workout at the fitness center, while away the afternoon swimming laps or lounging by the pool and enjoying an evening with friends at the clubhouse or in the glow of the outdoor fireplace. Heritage at Towne Lake also boasts a calendar of fun activities planned by the lifestyle director, and you can wave bye-bye to yard work at Heritage at Towne Lake. Professional lawn maintenance is included in your HOA dues. Outside the community, you can hike a network of trails nearby, play the course at Towne Lake Hills Golf Club, explore the North Georgia mountains, fish the waters of Lake Allatoona, or go on an urban adventure at any one of downtown Atlanta's many exciting attractions. Just 4 miles away, Woodstock's vibrant downtown area that boasts 20 chef-driven restaurants, 35 independent retailers, a brewery, a cultural arts village, a live theater, and a wealth of fun-focused annual events. Come discover why Woodstock was named the #1 city to live in Cherokee County by Niche.com and has made consistent appearances on Home Snacks' list of the top 10 fastest growing cities in Georgia. While you're in town, drop by Heritage at Towne Lake and take your pick at the recently released home sites before it's too late to join this exciting active adult community. To learn more about Heritage at Towne Lake, go to davidweekley.com.